Welcome back, gamers, to the official ZAP-Hosting YouTube channel. My name is Liam, and in today's tutorial, I will show you how you can get your own SCUM server in just a minute. So, let's get started. First, as always, visit our website, ZAP-Hosting.com, and log into your ZAP account. If you don't have an account yet, you can register here for free. Now, navigate to the game server bar and search for SCUM. Click on it, then click on the green start button. Here, you can configure your server to your liking. You can change server location, slots, RAM, disk space, CPU, and IPv4 is important if you want to protect your server from incoming DDoS attacks. But please keep in mind that for a smooth gameplay experience, we recommend getting at least 12 gigabytes of RAM. Finally, select your payment method. But before you confirm your order, here is a little gift from us, 50% off voucher code, which you can use by clicking here on Use Voucher and typing SCUM50. After you confirm your order, the server will be up in just a minute. Now open your server in our web interface, and you will be greeted with a prompt that initial installation is required for your server. So simply press on Install, and the installation of your server will now begin. This can take up to a couple of minutes, so please be patient. After the installation is completed, navigate to the Settings tab, which can be found right here on the left. Here, feel free to change your server name, server description, add yourself or any others as an admin, protect your server with a password, set a welcome message, message of the day, or change any other setting, as there are plenty of options to choose from. But once you configure everything to your liking, remember to save the settings and restart your server by holding the red stop button. Once your server comes back online, copy your server's IP address and launch SCUM on your PC. In the game, click on Multiplay, paste in your IP address into the IP field, and click on Connect to start loading into your server. And here you go. You have now successfully connected to your own SCUM server. Enjoy! If you have any questions, you can contact our support by creating a ticket on our website or live chat, and we will be more than happy to help you out. Now, have a lovely rest of the week and enjoy playing on your ZAP server.